found a small site. What you notice, they always have a banksman watching the road, no matter what they're doing. Look how clean the truck is. Look how clean the crane is. Look at the cones set up. Look at this guy, the banksman. There you go. Leaving this crane, and just realise, no matter where you go, look at the attention to detail and the quality. This is just not here, this is whatever you stop to look at. You can see it's been precision done. And again, premiumly